So, bought myself a new iPad and just arrived. All right. Yes, I'm gonna use my. I don't know. I just don't want to. I don't want to touch this. Let me just cut it off. Why am I even shaking the thing like that? It's an iPad. Silly me. Okay, so we're just gonna cut this on the sides. Funny. Open a box just to find another box. Okay, that's smart. You put another box inside and it's like sideways. So that no matter what you do, it doesn't fall. Or is it upside down? Okay, so this is one. And the other. Yes, everything is inside. Whew. Let me just dump this one aside and I don't know why, but it feels so small. Check this out. Ooh. Actually, I was expecting this to be quite bigger, but it's fine. It's fine. So, yeah. And then this is supposed to be the Apple Pencil. Second generation. Come on. Come on. Yeah. There we go. Oosh, so smooth. Can you guys see this? Hope this is clear. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna place this aside. Get back to the big boy. Yeah guys, so as you can see, I have the 64 gigabytes iPad Air 5th generation. I'm not that rich, so I can buy the 256 gigabytes. Ooh, satisfying. Come on. Finally. So small. I was expecting something bigger. Oh, it's so thin. Wow. Okay, we'll place this aside. Let's see what's inside the box. I'm not even stressing myself on this. Probably not even going to read it. Yeah, so we have the Type C to Type C charger. Cool. So this actually has Type C instead. That's great. Wait, is that all? That's all this thing came with. Okay, so that's it for the iPad. I'm gonna take it out very soon, but let me check on the pencil first. All right, so the pencil, just going to peel this off. Wasn't satisfying enough. All right. Let's see. Okay, I have to peel this side. Is it pull or peel? Definitely pull. Yeah. Whew, so smooth. So basically, he's trying to say I can attach it to the side of the pencil of the iPad. So. Oh. Ooh. I don't know why they did it this way, because I could have dropped it by mistake. Oh. I like how they made this one resemble a natural pencil. Ooh. Guys, can you see this? Got my name on it. Why do they call it an engraving if it's not engraved? Because I feel like it's just printed on it. Oh well. At least I can still see the emoji on it. That's what that matters to me. The emoji even matters more than the name itself. Okay, let me place this here and take my time and go through the iPad itself. This is so tiny. It's too tiny. See that? See that? That's what I'm talking about. My own personal iPad. Are you guys seeing this? This is so glossy. My own brand new iPad. I don't know, I'm feeling so weird. Dang. I'm speechless. I'm so speechless right now because Apple is really good at making their, the gadgets so smooth and sleek. That's supposed to be the Touch ID. Type-C ports. Okay, let's do this. Press and hold. Woo! Hello. I think that's not meant for me. Not gonna lie, this is really cool. Wait, so when just turned off like that? Oh, okay, I have to. Silly me. English? Ghana? Wait, are you going to give me some Ghanaian language or something? Oh, okay. So I just have to bring it closer. Oh, they are close. That's exactly what I'm using to shoot this, so. Okay, never mind. Let's just move on. So what do I do now? Set up manually. Okay. Wi-Fi connected. Blah, blah, blah. Touch ID. Okay, I have to put my hand here. Okay, for landscape mode. Alright. Not for your eyes. Wow. iPad Air, huh? Make this a new iPad. Of course, I mean, it is my new iPad. Ooh, thank you. Ooh. So I'm done setting up. I don't know, it just feels so nice. ladies and gentlemen, my first iPad. Yeah. So basically, I just wanted to give you guys an update on the latest gadgets that I'm going to be using, and that is the iPad and the Apple Pencil. Okay, so I'm gonna have to attach it to the side so that it senses the pencil. This way, right? Okay. Wow, this is actually really cool. Oh, nice. Wow, my neck. Wait, double tap. Okay, it switches from pencil to eraser. Woo! It's time for a whole new world to begin. This is it. This is it, guys. This is it. This is it. Copy Tunes 2.0. Whole new beginning. A whole new beginning. Alright, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I don't even know why you guys are watching this, but thank you for sticking around, and hopefully I'll get to make a lot of videos with the new iPad that I bought. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.